Hey guys, I'm Nisha Homie. Today I'm sharing a quick and easy healthy veg biryani recipe which can be easily made by hostel students, by those living alone, or by those who want a quick, healthy and flavorful meal in their busy schedule. So let's get started with the recipe. I'm heating my heavy bottomed wide pan with 1 to 1.5 tablespoon of wood pressed groundnut oil. Instead of wood pressed groundnut oil, you can use A2 desi ghee. Once the oil is heated, I'm adding in half teaspoon shah jeera, half teaspoon saunf, also known as fennel seeds, a piece of cinnamon which I am breaking into smaller pieces and adding in, a whole nutmeg which I am crumbling and adding in, 1 star anise, 6 cardamoms and 7 to 8 cloves, 1 tablespoon raisins, add in 1 onion finely sliced, give it a stir and allow the onions to saute until light golden brown in color. I am adding in 1 inch ginger finely chopped, 2 green chillies finely chopped and 8 to 10 cloves of garlic finely chopped. Give it a good stir and allow it to saute for about a minute so that the raw flavor of the ginger and garlic diminishes. About a minute later, adding in half cup green peas, half cup chopped carrot, half cup cauliflower florets, half cup beans. I have chopped the beans and carrot slightly small so that it gets cooked easily. However, you can chop them into slightly bigger size if you prefer. Pink Himalayan salt as needed. 1 tomato chopped. Give it a good mix. Add in about 1 tablespoon water. Add in 1/3 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri chilli powder and give it a good mix. Add in 4 tablespoon vegan curd. If you don't have any intolerance to dairy, you can use dairy milk curd. I have already shared 4 different vegan curd recipes. Please do check it out. Give it a good mix. Cover and allow the vegetables to get cooked. Open the lid. Give it a good mix. At this stage, the vegetables are nicely cooked. Add in 1/4 cup chopped capsicum, 1/3 teaspoon garam masala and give it a good mix. Some fresh coriander leaves. Into this, I'm adding in 1.5 cups of boiled ponni rice. This is leftover boiled ponni rice which I made the day before and it has been stored in the refrigerator. So the best thing about rice which has cooled down and has been stored in the refrigerator is that the rice will become resistant starch. The reason why resistant starch is highly beneficial is that it functions like a soluble fermentable fiber. It goes through your stomach and small intestine undigested, eventually reaching your large intestine where it feeds your friendly gut healthy bacteria. Squeeze in half a lemon over the rice. The rice has not been cooked with salt, hence I am sprinkling in a little bit of pink Himalayan salt. 1/4 teaspoon garam masala over the rice. I had soaked 3 strands of saffron. I am drizzling in the saffron water over the rice and generously sprinkling the chopped coriander leaves over the rice. Cover and let it dum cook on low flame for about 3 to 5 minutes. 3 to 5 minutes later, open the lid. And my super healthy biryani made with leftover rice is ready to serve. You can enjoy this rice with the vegan raita, papad and pickle of your choice. So guys, do try this healthy biryani recipe and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.